The Complete Homeowners Insurance Guide for Beginners. Welcome to your comprehensive guide to homeowners insurance. Whether you're buying your first home or simply looking to understand your current coverage better, this presentation will walk you through everything you need to know. Homeowners insurance provides financial protection for your home and belongings against damage from fire, storms, theft, and other perils. Most mortgage lenders require it, and it also includes liability coverage for accidents that occur on your property. Let's explore the fundamentals together. Main types of coverage dwelling. Coverage protects the physical structure of your home, including walls, roof, floors, built-in appliances, and attached structures like garages. This is the foundation of your policy and determines other coverage amounts. Personal property coverage covers your belongings inside the home, including furniture, clothing, electronics, and other personal items. This protection typically extends to items even when they're not in your home, like luggage during travel. Liability protection protects you if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage someone else's property. This includes legal defense costs and court awards up to your policy limit. Additional living expenses pays for temporary housing, restaurant meals, and other costs if your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered event while repairs are being made. Standard policy types. HO3 policy. Most common type for homeowners, covers all perils except those specifically excluded. Standard choice for single-family homes. Balance of coverage and affordability. HO5 policy. Premium comprehensive coverage, broader than HO3 with fewer exclusions, covers personal property on an open perils basis, ideal for newer or high-value homes. HO4 policy, designed for renters, covers personal belongings only, provides liability protection. No coverage for the physical building. HO6 policy, created for condo owners, covers personal property and interior walls, works with associations. What's typically covered? Fire and smoke damage. Complete protection against destruction or damage caused by fires, including smoke damage to interiors. Covers rebuilding costs and replacing damaged belongings. Wind and hail. Damage coverage for roof damage, broken windows, and structural issues caused by severe storms, high winds, and hailstorms that impact your home's exterior. Lightning strikes. Protection against direct lightning strikes that cause fires or damage to electrical systems, as well as power surges that damage appliances or electronics. Theft and vandalism. Reimbursement for stolen items and repairs for damage caused by break-ins or vandalism, providing financial security and peace of mind. Other commonly covered perils include falling objects, weight of ice and snow, and certain water damage from plumbing issues. Coverage applies both to the structure itself and the personal belongings inside. Common exclusions. Floods. Standard policies never cover flood damage. Protection requires a separate flood insurance policy through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, or private insurers, even if you're not in a high-risk zone. Earthquakes damage from earth movement is excluded and must be covered by a separate policy or endorsement. This is especially important in seismically active regions like California or the Pacific Northwest. Normal wear and tear insurance doesn't cover damage that results from aging or lack of maintenance. Routine upkeep like roof replacement, appliance failures, or plumbing issues due to age are homeowner responsibilities. Pest infestations, damage from termites, rodents, birds, or other pests isn't covered. Regular inspections and preventative treatments are essential to protect your property from these costly problems. Additionally, certain dog breeds might be excluded from liability coverage, and high-value items like jewelry or art typically have limited coverage unless specifically scheduled with additional riders. Determining coverage. Amounts 100%. Dwelling coverage based on rebuild cost, not market value, or purchase price 50 to 70%. Personal property, percentage of dwelling coverage amount 300,000 liability. Recommended minimum coverage, level 20%. Additional living, typically percentage of dwelling coverage. It's critical to accurately calculate your home's rebuilding cost, which differs from market value. This forms the foundation of your policy. Many homeowners underestimate what it would cost to rebuild their home with current materials and labor, leaving them underinsured in a disaster. For personal property, consider conducting a home inventory to ensure adequate coverage. For liability, higher limits are recommended if you have significant assets to protect. Factors affecting premiums: deductible amount. Higher deductibles, lower premiums. Home characteristics: age, size, construction materials, location factors, crime rates, natural disaster risks, personal history, claims history, and credit score. Safety features: security systems, smoke detectors. Insurance companies use sophisticated models to assess risk and determine premiums. Your home's construction type and age dramatically impact rates. Newer homes with fire-resistant materials typically receive better rates. Similarly, homes in areas prone to natural disasters or with high crime rates face higher premiums. Your personal history, including previous claims and credit score in most states, also significantly influences what you'll pay. Maintaining good credit and avoiding small claims can keep your rates lower over time. Ways to save on premiums: bundle policies. Combine home and auto insurance with the same carrier for discounts of up to 30%. Raise deductible, increasing from $500 to $1,000, can lower premiums by 10 to 25%. Add safety features, install security systems, smoke detectors, and water leak detectors. Compare quotes, shop multiple companies every 2 to 3 years to ensure competitive rates. Insurance companies offer numerous discounts that many homeowners overlook. Beyond bundling, improving your home's safety with features like deadbolts, security cameras, or automatic water shutoff devices can lead to meaningful savings. Some insurers even offer discounts for roof upgrades, storm shutters in hurricane-prone areas, or smart home monitoring systems. Staying claim-free for several years often qualifies you for loyalty and claims-free discounts. Remember that filing multiple small claims may increase your premiums more than the payout is worth. Filing a claim document. Everything. Take detailed photos and videos of all damage before making temporary repairs. Create an inventory of damaged items with approximate values and age. Prevent further damage. Make reasonable temporary repairs like covering broken windows or damaged roofs with tarps to prevent additional problems. Keep all receipts for these emergency measures. Contact your insurer. Report the claim promptly through your insurer's app, website, or phone line. Most companies have 24/7 claims reporting. Provide thorough information about what happened. Work with the adjuster. Be present during the adjuster's inspection. Point out all damage and provide your documentation. Ask questions about coverage and next steps in the process. Track all expenses. Keep detailed records of all repair costs, temporary housing expenses, meals, and other costs resulting from the damage. Your policy may cover these additional expenses. Key takeaways: review annually. Set a reminder to review your policy each year before renewal. Your coverage needs change over time, especially after major life events or home improvements. Create home inventory document all your belongings with photos, videos, and receipts. Store this inventory in the cloud or somewhere other than your home to access after a disaster. Understand policy details. Take time to read your policy, especially exclusions and limits. Know what's covered before disaster strikes, not after when it's too late to adjust coverage. Schedule valuables. Add specific coverage for high-value items like jewelry, art, or collectibles that exceed standard policy limits with scheduled personal property endorsements. Homeowners insurance is not just a mortgage requirement, but a crucial financial safety net. The right coverage protects your most valuable asset and provides peace of mind during unexpected events. By understanding your policy's details and regularly reviewing your coverage, you'll ensure your home and belongings are properly protected against life's uncertainties.